Okay, we're going to speed up our blog using a plugin called W3 Total Cache. I'm going to download it and activate it. Now, don't get freaked out. It's not as complicated as it looks. It helps you by making your blogs and pages load faster. It creates static pages, and it's very slick. You'll find it under Settings. We're going to go to Performance, and we're going to have to set up a few quick things. Now, preview mode is active. First thing we have to do is get rid of preview mode. We want to install everything that we need to do. The plugin is currently enabled. Very, very nice. Make sure you don't have any other cache programs. There's a plugin called Super Cache. If you've been using that and struggling, get rid of it. But hopefully this is the first cache program you've downloaded, and you won't have to worry about any of that. So make sure your permissions are set to 755 or 777. I always like to perform a compatibility check. It will work properly, and that's nice. It all depends on what kind of hosting you have. I'm on a shared hosting package, which I'm guessing you will be too. And so preview mode is off. We're going to save all settings. Anytime I see a save settings button, I just click it just to save settings. Now, we have to do a few things, and we have to enable a few things. We're going to enable page cache. Caching pages will reduce response time of your site and increase the scale of your web server. We're going to save all settings. Fancy permalinks are disabled. Oh no! Enable it at first and then reattempt enabling enhanced disk mode. What's cool about this plugin is if you I haven't set up my permalinks. This is such a brand new blog. I know better. Hopefully, if you paid attention to what I taught you, post name, you'll already have this set up, and it won't be a big deal. I have been a slacker. So there's my custom structure, my fancy permalinks. The great thing about this plugin is it will tell you what you are missing and what you're doing wrong. So that's going good. We did the compatibility check. Preview mode is off. Now we're going to try to enable the page cache, and it will tell me, hey, it worked. Plugin configuration successfully updated. It appears the URL rewriting is not working. If using Apache, verify all. Okay, I solved the problem. I love this because you never know what's going to happen. So I'm glad things are going wrong. All I did was change my file permissions to 777. They weren't correct. I went to the content, WP content folder under plugins, and W3 Total Cache, changed it to 777, and it worked. It accepted page cache. I enabled it and kept it at disk enhanced. Sometimes you need to switch to disk basic. Disk enhanced is the best, but if you're having trouble, give it a shot and go to disk basic. Here's something interesting. Minify. It reduces load time and decreases the file size and the number of CSS and JavaScript files. It's very interesting. Let's try it. Some will not allow you to do that. Make sure it's on disk. Let's save settings. Let's see if it works. This is exciting. It works. The setting may either invalidate. We're going to empty the page cache just to make sure that goes away. That did. Okay, and we're going to empty that page cache. Let's go away. Okay, Minify cache successfully emptied. We're cooking with grease now. It's all working. Database cache needs to be clicked. Click Enable and Save Settings. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it works. Oh no, it worked. And then we just empty the cache just to make it go away. Okay, so everything is working. Everything is emptied. Basically, you have more settings, but I don't enable the object cache. You can if you want. The browser cache, it's already enabled by default. If you have a CDN, which is a content delivery network, you're probably not watching my videos because you know more than I do. And Varnish is another type of server, Cloudflare. If you're using that, you don't need me. Here's some miscellaneous files. I leave all the defaults. I leave the debug stuff unchecked. Leave it unchecked. Here's the import export settings. It allows you to maintain your configurations if you have multiple blocks. Don't mess with it. It's more trouble than it's worth. But here you go. I now have this configured W3 total cache. It's kind of fun. Just walk through the steps, enable, and then click Save Settings, and then you just never know if it's going to throw you an error message. If it does, you just solve it. The biggest problem that you'll find is you haven't set your file permissions to 777. But W3 Total Cache speeds up your blog. Don't panic. It's just that simple.